When was the last time you strolled through a forest, or you walked through a woodland that was so beautiful it just took your breath away and you stood there for a moment lost in wonder and awe? We all know how good being in nature can make us feel, and we've known it for generations. The sounds of the forest, the scent of the trees, the fresh, clean air. We begin to feel a sense of comfort. The stress and the worry just seems to fade. We begin to relax. We breathe deeply. We think more clearly. Being in nature can restore our mood. It can give us back our energy. We feel refreshed and rejuvenated.